Hello everyone. In this video we have solved this interesting math question. This question is x square minus y square is equal to 36. X and y is equal to what? So here is x and y is a natural number. Okay, so let's start. Our question is x square minus y square is equal to 36. So solution here is x square minus y square is equal to 36. Then we know that a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. So according to these rules, I can easily x square minus y square, it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to 36. Yes, we have find out here is 36. So in this expression, look, here is 36. So at this moment, if I find out the factor, so I can easily, it will be 36 times 1 or 1 times 36 or 9 times 4 or 4 times 9. Then I can easily, it will be, look, 12 times 3. Yes, then I can say 3 times 12 or 18 times 2 or 2 times 18. Yes, then we know that 36 times 1 it will be 36, 18 times 2 it will be 36, 2 times 18 it will be 36. But here is x plus y, x minus y is equal to 36. But look, at this moment I can easily, in this case, here is x plus y always greater than x minus y. Yes, so if I follow this case, this time I can easily, this is right. Because of that, here is 36 is a big number, but it is not possible. Because of that, it is 1, it is less than x plus y. Okay, so I can easily, here is 9 and 4, it is possible, it is not possible, and it is possible, it is not possible, it is possible, but it is not possible. So we will find out here is 4 case. This 4 case is possible in this maths question. So we will take this 4 case. First of all, I can say our question is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 36 times 1. This is our first case. Okay, this is our first case. And our second case, I can say x plus y times x minus y is equal to, it will be 9 times 4. Yes, 9 times 4. Then I can say other case, we'll find out x plus y, it is our third case, y and x minus y, it is, look, 12 times 3. Yes, 12 times 3. And fourth case, it will be x plus y times x minus y, it will be, look, 18 times 2. Yes, 4 cases possible in this maths question. But recall, here is x and y is natural number. Okay, so our first case, we'll find out our first case is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 36 times 1. So if I follow first case, I can say that it will be x plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 1. Yes, so if I add both equations, so I can say that x plus x, it will be twice x and it will be 0. Because of that, here is y is positive, then y is negative, so it is 0. So I can say easily 36 plus 1, it will be 37. So I can say easily, if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out x is equal to 37 over 2. But it is rejected, it is a fraction, we need a natural number, so it is not possible. So we have rejected our first case. According to second case, our second case, it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to 9 times 4. Yes, so I can say x plus y is equal to 9, x minus y is equal to 4. Then if I add both equation, we'll find out twice x is equal to 13. Then if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out 13 over 2. Look, this is also fraction, so it is not rejected. It is rejected. It is not possible, and we need the natural number. Okay, so if I follow our third equation, look, third case, our third case, it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to 12 times 3. So I can say that x plus y, it will be 12, and x minus y, it will be 3. Then if I add, it will be twice x is equal to 15. Then I can say that if I divide both sides by 2, it will be x is equal to 15 over 2. Look, it is also fraction, so it is rejected. I can't follow this value. But according to fourth case, look, our fourth case is equal to, it will be x plus y times x minus y is equal to 18 times 2. If I take this value, look, it will be x plus y is equal to 18 and x minus y is equal to 2. Yes, so if I add both equation, I can say that it will be twice x is equal to 20. Then if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out x is equal to 10. Yes, so we'll find out here is x is equal to 10. Then if I subtract both equation, look, it will be 18, then x minus y, it will be 2. If I subtract both equations, so x minus x, it will be 0, y minus minus y, it will be 2y, then it will be 16. Then I can say that y is equal to 16 divide 2, it will be 8. So we'll find out our final answer is x and y, it will be 10 and 8. Yes, this is our final answer in this math Olympiad question. Let's check out our question is, look, we'll find out our final answer is, it will be x and y, 10 and 8. It is a natural number, it is not a fraction. So our question is, look, here is x square minus y square is equal to 36. Look, so if you put, here is x square, so our question is x square, I take x square minus y square, it will be 36. Yes, then look, if you think x is equal to 10, or find out our value is 10 and 8. So if I put this value in this expression, I can say that 10 square minus 8 square is equal to 36. Look, 10 square will be 100 minus 64